Hello friends, welcome back. This is third part of Spring Boot and Kafka tutorial. In this part, we will see how to download, install, configure and start the Kafka ecosystem. In previous video, we discussed the Kafka architecture. We discussed everything from Kafka cluster to broker, topic, partition, offset, and we understood what is producer and consumer. Now in this video we will download Kafka and configure the Zookeeper and Kafka broker configuration. Then we will see how to start the broker. After that we will create a topic and we will write some messages or events to the topic. Then consumer will consume that messages from topic. So for all this process, let's head on to the Apache Kafka website. Open the browser and simply write this URL kafka.apache.org and then you will get this page. Click on get started and then go to the quick start. Here there is a step-by-step process how to do it. So first step is download Kafka. Click on this. Here you will get the link. Once you click on this, the download will start. Once download is completed, let's go to the file where you have downloaded. Here you will get the compressed file. Let's uncompress it. I have used 7-zip software to uncompress it. Click here and then you will get another tar file. Again you have to uncompress it. And now you have the Kafka folder. Go to the folder, open the configuration file. Here you will have all the configuration related to server, Zookeeper and other configuration like consumer, topic and all those things. So we have to change few configuration about Zookeeper and server before starting Zookeeper and server. So let's open Zookeeper property file and here we will change the log directory because by default it is saving to the temporary folder. I will change it to inside project folder in C drive. Then save it. Now let's go to the server.properties, open in Notepad++, and here we will change this log directories. This I will change it to C drive, then project folder, and then Kafka logs. So now the Kafka server logs will be stored on this directory. Second property in server configuration you have to change here. Since I am running my Kafka in my local machine, so I'll keep here localhost. You can keep the IP of the server instead of localhost wherever you are running your Kafka broker. Now let's save it and let's go to the Kafka website. So we are done with this part. Now second part. Second part says that we have to start Kafka environment. So in this there are two parts, starting Zookeeper and then starting Kafka broker, which is Kafka server. So here this is the command written for the Linux machine. Inside bin there is a Zookeeper server start.sh file is there and then you have to link the configuration file zookeeper.properties and then it will start the Zookeeper server. Similarly, you have to do it for Kafka server. Here also this command is given for the Linux machine, but I am running all these things in my Windows machine. So all these configuration files and startup files are there in Windows folder after bin folder. Let's go to the folder. Inside Kafka folder there is a bin folder and inside bin there is a Windows folder and inside Windows all Windows related batch files are given. So to run all this command, we have to go Windows folder inside the bin folder. So for simplicity, I have already written all these commands. This is the command for starting Zookeeper in Windows machine. Bin folder, then Windows, then Zookeeper server.start.batch file, and then we are linking this configuration file related to Zookeeper. So let's copy this command and open the terminal. Let's go to the folder. And to run the Zookeeper, copy that command here, start. Now Zookeeper is starting now. Now next thing is to start Kafka broker. So to start Kafka broker, we will run this command. Copy this, open terminal, and let's divide this terminal in two parts like this, and then go to the folder, run this command. Okay, so Kafka broker is also started. Now third part is create a topic to store your events. So whenever a producer produces some events, it has to go to the topic. So before producing any events, we have to create the topic. So to create the topic, we have this command. So I'll run this command on Windows to create the topic. Here if you see, there is a create command to create the topic, and then after this hyphen hyphen topic, there is this is the name. This is the topic name. So whichever topic you want to create, you have to provide the name here, and once you provide this create command, it will create a new topic. If you want to view the details of the created topic, then you have to write describe here. And if you want to delete the created topic, then you can use delete command here instead of create to delete that created topic. Let's copy this one and go to the terminal. For simplicity, I will run everything on the same terminal machine. So I will divide this portion in two parts and copy the command. Message is saying that created topic quick start events. This is the name of the topic. In broker server also we can see log loaded for partition quick start event 0. So this topic is actually created inside this broker server. Now if you want to describe the topic, then we can use the command describe instead of create for the same topic. Here is the details of the topic created. This is the topic name and this is the topic ID. This is the partition count. So for now it has created by default only one partition. This is replication factor 1, partition 0, leader 0, and replication is 0. So we have successfully created topic named quick start events. Now step 4 is for the producer who will write the events to the topic. So to start producer, we will run this command. We'll run the producer in the same terminal because topic is already created. So let's copy here and run it. Since the producer has started, here we have console to write the events or messages to the topic named quick start events. Now if you are writing anything to the producer, then there should be a consumer as well, which will read these events from the topic. So to start the consumer, we will run this command. I will divide this screen in two parts, and one portion will be for the consumer. Paste the command here, and here we are saying that we are starting consumer for the topic quick start event. So anything which is going to be written on this topic, it will be consumed by this consumer. Let's start this one. After starting the consumer, broker server has established a connection between broker and consumer. Now let's write something to the producer. Item 1. Okay, here we go. We can see same message on the consumer. Let's write something more. Item 2, and we received here item 2. My name is not case, and the consumer received the same name written to the topic. Topic name is quick start event. This is all done for this video. We successfully created Zookeeper, we started broker, we created our topic, and we written messages to the topic, and then we received and consumed messages from the consumer by subscribing the topic name quick start events. In next video, we will create producer using Spring Boot application, and our consumer will also be in Spring Boot application. Then we will see how we can write messages or events to the topic using Spring Boot application, and similarly we will see how consumer is consuming using Spring Boot application by subscribing the same topic.